2019 Squier by Fender Stratocaster. This is a Fender Special Run color, which relates only to the body in seafoam green. We have 3 traditional single coils. You've got your floating tremolo, good for dive bombs. You have 1 volume, 2 tone knobs, 5-way selector switch, output jack up here on the front. You have a Rosewood Fretboard. It's actually very, very nice. There's some nice figurine in it. If you get close and look up at it, I don't know if the camera will actually pick it up or not, but it's very pretty. You have your traditional maple neck with the skunk stripe, and for the headstock, we've got the 60s style skinny headstock. Not great tuners on there, but I haven't had a problem with it holding tune. If you do want to replace the tuners, that would probably be the one thing that I would suggest replacing on this guitar. Other than that, it works fantastic. Getting onto the back of the guitar, on the neck plate cover, it just says Squier. Again, on the back of the neck, you've got a quarter sawn neck here, which means it's one piece of wood that they cut instead of being multi-plied, which is very, very nice. On the body, it's gorgeous and great shape. I did add an extra spring to the trim, so there are 4 springs in there now. As it came with the 3, the trim would not stay to the body, so it was almost impossible to get the guitar to stay in tune. So to get it properly intonated and to get it to properly stay in tune, I added an extra string just to lock that bad boy down there. On the back, we've got our serial number here. Crafted in Indonesia. This is 19. The first digits are going to tell you the year, and the production number is 1356. We've got 21 medium frets on the neck. Feels great. There is no buzzing anywhere on this guitar. Plays nice. It is set up with D'Addario NYXL 9s, and we have the action incredibly low.